Hi friends, in this quick video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can ask ChatGPT to write your YouTube videos and how you can do SEO on ChatGPT. So without wasting the time, just tap here and tap on forward. And it's done. If you scroll down and you can see on the top, it will first give introduction. You just need to voice over this all text, and here you can see this also explain in sign up for Amazon. Then it explain find products to promote, and after that in step 3 promote your affiliate links, and the last make money. In this way you can use this text as your voiceover, and you can also create an awesome video on Amazon affiliate marketing. After that, getting a YouTube video script, then you can ask ChatGPT and tap on forward. How to skyrocket your income with Amazon affiliate marketing, the ultimate guide. That is the perfect title that ChatGPT has been written for us. And you can also go for SEO, then type and tap on forward. So here you can see the most useful and high RPM keywords that ChatGPT also written for us. Now you have a complete video script, and here is the title, and here these are the keywords.